Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are talking about the second part of the chemistry, that is one of the basics chemistry concepts, that is green chemistry. It has been taught already by 7th standard or 8th standard itself, but now it is the revision of your students. So that is my student of my channel. So let's move on to the topic, that is green chemistry. Before much further ado, before move on to the topic, I want to make sure you guys that I will learn you easily, and also it is one of the easiest concepts to learn by me. And you don't forgotten to share this video and subscribe this channel. Don't be forgotten to like this and comments. Let's move on to the topic, that is green chemistry. So what is green chemistry really is? Green chemistry is use of chemistry for population prevention. Here the population gives us out from the earth by man-made or natural. That not matters here, but it matters that green chemistry is use of chemistry for population pollution prevention. Here, pollution prevention is the use of materials, process or practice that reduce or eliminate the creation of pollutants or waste at the source. It includes practice that reduce the use of hazardous and non-hazardous materials, energy, water, or other resources, as well as those that protected natural resources through efficient use. Here, the pollution prevention is the use of material, process, or practice that reduce or eliminate the creation of pollutants or waste at the source. The source may be a water, air, or gas, or anything else. That source does not matter, but the source really gives us out the hardest or non-hardest substance. The hardest substance is very much hardest to the animals, plants, and also the human being. But non-hardest substance, it does not give that much hardest to the peoples or animals. So it includes practice that reduce uses of hardest and non-hardest materials, energy, water, or other resources, as well as those that protected natural resources through efficient use. So the use of chemical products and processes that are more environmentally benign. The design of chemical products and processes that are more environmentally benign, so encompass all aspects and types of process that reduce negative impacts to human health and in the environment. Focuses on the process and products that reduce or eliminate the use of generation of hard substance. Here, green chemistry represents to how does a process work to eliminate the hardest or non-hardest substance from the earth. We are living from Since we are living in the earth, it matters a lot that we need to prevent our earth, mother earth, as far as we want to, because it may harm us. It may give a very big chance in order to we not do to protect our earth. So became a formal focus of the US EPA in 1991, with the formation of Green Chemistry Program, promotes research, development, and implementation of innovative chemical technologies that accomplish pollution prevention in both a scientifically sound and cost-efficient manner. So let's see the chart of the green chemistry. The chart represents is being disposal, recycle, reuse, reduce, and replace. Here, beanie disposal is the man-made process that uses in the recycle or reuse process that reduces the chemical uses or energy uses, and also at the last step, that is replace the hardest materials, process inefficient process, and non-suitable components. Let's move on to another topic, that is environment chemistry versus green chemistry. So, what is environment chemistry? Environment chemistry is a study of source, reactions, transport of fate of chemical entities in the air, water, and soil environments, as well as their effect on human health and the environment. Here, the environment represents the we are living in environment which are clean or bad. You know what that is air, water, and soil. They might going to transport the fate of chemical entities in the air or waters and soil. Sources, reaction, transport, and fate of chemical entities in water. So focus on environment management of chemical concerned not only with the chemical pollutants in the environment but also with the behavior of natural chemicals in natural systems. When chemical use results in environment contamination, it is necessary to set stand for acceptable concentrations in water, soil, and biota. Here, biochar represents this water, one of the water. When the chemical use results in environment contamination, it is necessary to set standard for acceptable concentration in water. It is necessary. One of the necessary thing is to set that the concentration, the standard for to accept by the air, water, and soil. He has focused on effects of what man has put into the environment and how to deal with the remediate contamination sites. Pollution is the pollution to solution. Pollution is the solution to pollution. The one of the quotes that meant for us, and it is for to green chemistry to prevent our mother earth. In contrast, green chemistry focuses on how to change what human activity puts into the environment in order to eliminate or reduce effects and prevent contamination sites. All milligrams of prevention is worth a kilogram of cure. Thank you. It is green chemistry is design of chemical products and process that reduce or eliminate the use of generation of harder substance. It is the suitable sustainable finance. This gives us the definitions. Let's say it encompasses all aspects and type of chemical process including synthesis, catalysis, analysis, monitoring, suppression and reaction condition that reduce negative impacts on human health and the environment related to the current state of the art. The 12 principles of green chemistry engineering has proposed by Anathas and Warner 1998. Anathas and Zimmerman 2003 serve as guidelines for practicing chemists engineers in developing and assessing how green synthesis compound process or design technology is. So it is the chart, it is the pie chart, it is one of the chart to the see what does in our country India has green chemistry. Green chemistry networking in India. So here uses starting from the atom economy. Atom economy which gives us less hardest chemical synthesis, designing after chemicals, safer solvents and alligaries, designed for energy efficient use of renewable feedstocks, reduced derivatives, use of selective catalysts designed for degeneration, degradation, real-time analysis for population prevention, safety chemistry, safer chemistry, and prevention is better than cure. The last one, prevention is always better than cure because green chemistry is based on that quote itself. So thank you for being with me in this whole chemistry class. I will move on to next in the next video. So let's not be forgotten. I will remind you that to subscribe this channel and just click on the watermark lay on your video screen that may give you to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.